we take solution. For us to find the angle x, we are going to make use of the fact that if we sum all the angles around this point, it should be equal to 360 degrees. It simply means if we take 80 degrees plus 130 degrees plus x, it should be equal to 360 degrees. 80 degrees plus 130 degrees gives us 210 degrees plus x is equal to 360 degrees. Next, for us to get x, we are going to transfer 210 degrees to the right hand side. This will give us x to be equal to 360 degrees minus 210 degrees. Then x will simply be equal to 150 degrees. This is the size of the angle x.